This is an example that we built, put together to demonstrate and show the amount of gallons lost throughout your system because of water leaks. I'm sure you've probably seen this example that shows the different sizes and how many gallons you lose. But we built this and put this together to give you a better understanding of how this actually happens in your system. I'm going to show you this small hole here. This is about a 1/16 hole in this piece of copper tubing right here. It's just amazing as to what a small hole like this can do in your system. You can see that leak there. This is a 1/16 hole that equals 1.5 gallons per minute. 2,000 gallons a day, which equals 60,000 gallons a month. I like to use it as old school terms, the way I have to figure things out sometimes. 2,000 gallons a day equals 39 to 40 barrels, 55-gallon barrels in a day's time. And it's really hard to believe that this leak could produce that much water loss. But that's what the calculations come to. This next leak that we're going to show you is a 1-inch copper service line that was taken out of the ground, a leak that we discovered. And it's got a 1/2-inch hole in it. And with this leak right here, it produces 5.5 gallons a minute. 8,000 gallons a day, 240,000 gallons a month. Now you multiply that times about 5 of these leaks, you're looking at 1 million gallons a month that you're losing if you have 5 of these leaks inside your system. The next leak I'm going to show you is the black poly tubing, which a lot of y'all have in your systems. And a lot of times this is where we find most of our leaks, is in the poly tubing. And with this leak here, where the tubing comes off of the corporation stop at the main, where it makes that crook, is right where it usually cracks at. This leak right here equals 1 gallon a minute, 1,500 gallons a day, 45,000 gallons a month. And you can see that with the way we've got it set up now, we've got the meter set up, we've got a pressure gauge to show what the pressure is. And now understand that where we're doing this demonstration at today, we're at the office, and we've got about 75 feet of service line from the meter to the house, to the office, and then here at the office, it's all galvanized service line. Plus, we're coming off of an outside hydrant with 50 foot of garden hose. In your system, coming off the main line, you have anywhere from 30 to 75 feet of 3/4 copper that goes to your meter. Well, your water loss is going to, from what we're averaging here, is going to be double as to what we're showing you here. Also, we're running at 80 psi. A lot of your systems are running much more than that, up to 120, and I've seen up to 160 in some of the systems we've been in. But if you want to come by and see this example that we've got set up at our booth, you can come by, and then we'll do the demonstration where you can come right up here and see what goes on with it.